asteroids that could eventually hit Earth and what we could do to stop them. Did you know that there are millions of asteroids orbiting the Sun, some of which could pose a threat to our planet? Asteroids are rocky bodies that range in size from a few meters to hundreds of kilometers across. Some of them cross the orbit of Earth and come close to us from time to time. These are called near-Earth asteroids, or NEAs. Most NEAs are harmless and pass by without any impact. But some of them have a higher chance of hitting Earth in the future, depending on their size, shape, orbit, and other factors. One of the most dangerous asteroids to Earth is Bennu, which has a 1 in 1,750 chance of colliding with our planet in the next 300 years. Another one is Apophis, which has been ruled out as a threat for the next 100 years, but will make a very close approach in 2029. What would happen if one of these asteroids hit Earth? Well, that depends on how big and fast they are. A small asteroid, like the one that exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia in 2013, could cause damage to buildings and injure people. A larger asteroid, like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago, could cause global devastation and mass extinction. So, what can we do to stop them? Scientists are working on various methods to deflect or destroy potentially hazardous asteroids before they reach Earth. Some of these methods include gravity tractor. This involves sending a spacecraft to fly near an asteroid and use its gravity to pull it away from its original orbit. Kinetic impactor. This involves sending a spacecraft to crash into an asteroid at high speed and change its velocity or direction. Nuclear device. This involves sending a spacecraft to detonate a nuclear bomb near or on an asteroid and break it apart or vaporize it. These methods are still theoretical and have not been tested in real scenarios. However, some missions are planned or underway to study asteroids and test some of these techniques. For example, NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission has collected samples from Bennu and will return them to Earth in 2023. ESA's Hera mission will visit the binary asteroid system Didymos and observe the effects of NASA's DART mission, which will try to deflect the smaller asteroid by crashing into it in 2022. Asteroids are fascinating objects that can teach us a lot about the history and evolution of our solar system. But they can also be dangerous if they come too close to our home planet. That's why we need to keep an eye on them and be prepared for any possible impact scenario.